What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we're going to be talking about Palantir, what has happened since my last video, what's going to happen to Palantir, and just an update video on Palantir. Now before we get in this video, I'd like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you for all of the support. If you like these type of videos, go ahead and hit that like button. Comment below if you want to see a specific stock and I will make that video for you. Now let's get right into the video. Let's break down Palantir. Now, last time I covered Palantir, I was talking about Palantir could possibly break out because we were having this ascending triangle pattern. So I had my entry here and I had my stop loss here. Now, if you got into this, if you're in Palantir right now, then you would have tagged out because we broke the pattern. We were no longer making these these higher lows. We broke out of that pattern and now we're over here. So if you were playing this ascending triangle, you should have already gotten out of this stock. But if you're an investor, if you're planning on holding Palantir, for a couple of months, 3 to 4 months, then that video wasn't specifically targeted towards you, because when trading, it's two different things from trading and investing, right? With trading, you should have your stop loss. With investing, you don't really care what the price is doing on a daily basis. You're looking for the longer term. So today we actually fell 51 cents. And yesterday we actually fell quite a considerable amount as well. I think it was over $1. So Palantir has seen better days. Today and yesterday weren't that good of a day for Palantir. And let's talk about where Palantir could be going and what I'd like to see. Let me go ahead and delete this trend line because it's no longer in play. This pattern did not play out. If you're in Palantir right now with shares, this video isn't specifically targeted towards you, but you can still watch it because it's still the overall outlook on what I think Palantir is going to do. Now, as of right now, we are getting rejected by this resistance. We pushed up, we tried to push back up, and we're selling off. So right now, no matter what way you look at it, Palantir is descending. So we're still in quite a lot of downtrend momentum right here. If you're bullish on Palantir, you need to see us get above this level I'm about to chart out for you. We need to get above this level again right here. This level is 27.11. So right now, we need to get above this old high right here and continue and push that back up towards resistance. Because right now, we're making lower highs and that's a bearish pattern. So it's not working out in our favor right now if you're in Palantir. But this is just trading. If you're investing, like I said, no need to worry. This stock has a lot of bullish news on it, so I wouldn't worry too much. So let's say you got in today. Let's do that scenario. Where would your stop loss be at? My stop loss would be pretty tight. I'd have it at 24.82. I'd base it off of this candle body right here and also this wick right here. That's where my stop loss would be if I'm trading Palantir. Like I said, trading. So trading means I'm only looking to hold it for a couple of days to even a couple of weeks, depending on where my take profit's at. So if I'm bullish on Palantir, tomorrow we need to get above this resistance, or at least hold above it. We don't necessarily have to get to this resistance level. We need to get above this resistance level right here, hold it, and then maybe on Friday we can go about testing this resistance right here. But if we continue this downtrend, where am I looking to buy Palantir again? I'm looking for a good dip buy at 21.11. That would be an amazing dip buy for Palantir. We know that 21.11 is an amazing support because each time sellers tried to push price down, buyers came in. Each time. And it was also an old resistance. Notice how that buyers tried to push price up, but sellers came in and they finally broke through. So we know this 21.11 mark is a level of interest. But as of right now, we're still in this downtrend. We still need to see what Palantir is going to do tomorrow and how we're going to react around that area. Are we still going to continue this downtrend, or are we going to test this resistance and we're going to push through? So if I'm in Palantir, that's what I'm going to be looking at tomorrow. This resistance level, and also I'm going to keep in mind where my stop loss is at. If we get below 24.74, go ahead and cut it and look for a better entry. Because if we get below that, we're most likely heading back down to the 21.11 mark, and that's another amazing dip buy for Palantir. On the big picture though, Palantir still looks amazing. This just looks like another dip buy on the bigger picture, right? So if you're in Palantir right now with shares, most definitely I would not be worrying right now. This is just a dip buy. These little waves where we go down is just an amazing opportunity to add more. If you're in the position where you can add more to Palantir, go ahead and do that. average cost down until we start uptrending again, and then you can take those profits out. But until then, I would just sit tight. I wouldn't worry about Palantir if you're holding the shares. If you're trading it, then always have the plan. Always have your stop loss, and always have where you're going to take profit at, so you don't get emotional with your trades. So as long as we're able to hold this area right here, guys, we're still going to be bullish if we can hold this and continue this uptrend. Right now we're still downtrending, and we need to continue this little reversal we're doing right here. Yes, we're still in a downtrend, but it's still starting to try to base out and continue this uptrend. Be on the lookout for this resistance tomorrow if we even hit it, or if we continue this downtrend. That's where I'm looking at Palantir tomorrow, and that's how I'm going to structure my trade. If we get below it once again, I'm going to stop out, look for a better entry, and be patient. So that's what I'm looking at for tomorrow. And if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and also subscribe, because it really helps my channel grow and allows me to keep producing these types of videos. Anyways, I will see you all in